Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you some of the ways that you can look after your garden from weeds, pests and diseases without using harmful chemicals that are bad for the environment, for other organisms and for the water supplies. And it's actually summer solstice today, so it's the longest day of the year, which I can't actually really believe. It's gone so quickly. It's a good time to get out in the long evenings and enjoy the garden in the warm weather. And this video is a partnership with Dŵr Cymru Welsh Water's Pest Smart scheme, which is a website jam-packed full of information on how to look after your garden without using any harmful chemicals. And because in some instances you do have to use chemicals and other options aren't really viable, their website gives you great information on how to dispose and store of those chemicals properly. Before you go straight to a chemical option, there are many other options and remedies that you can try that use things that you've already got lying around the house. So the first one you might think is a very obvious one, but it's one that a lot of people will probably forget, which is from your beds and soft paths like wood chips, is just to simply pull them out of the ground just like this with their roots, shake off the soil, pop them in your compost bin, then you've got compost to feed your soil with. And this is one of my favourite ways of doing it because it involves a bit of work, so it's a good workout, and you don't really need much to do it. You just need some gloves, maybe some hand tools if there's some dandelions and things like that. I know obviously pulling out isn't always viable, especially on patios and things like this when it's between patio things. So what you can do is you can get a spray bottle. I saw on the Pest Smart website a great recipe for a salt solution which you spray onto the weeds and it'll dry them out and they should crisp up and then just die off, and then you can pretty just brush them off. And another thing from your kitchen that you can use to get rid of weeds in paths, on wood chips or wherever really, even on the beds, is actually vinegar. You put it in a spray bottle and you can spray it directly onto the weed and the acidity will kill off the weed. And one thing to bear in mind with this is that if you get it on something else, then you should try and give it some water to try and dilute the acid so it doesn't kill any other plants. So I hope you got some ideas today on how to sustainably look after your garden from weeds, pests and diseases. For more great ideas like this, check out the Pest Smart link down in the description to go to their website where they've got loads of ideas. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.